Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Kongger Sangma ke khat nyo trik ujemang arajar arfusan lalet jingo ya ke snong tangmang ke bahab hapen Ursula Civil Subdivision. Haringkat ke jing itenan ke Mariang hagani ke snong. Da ke jing don joki ksyad bat kiwa akibat toit sa Bangladesh. Kini ke snong ke deiru ke bapau kmat hakikam shna bat than de kihti yeki jat tiar baper. Haga jing let jingo kinong song snong kila pedyang sengob ha yo menteri rangba de kinong song snong lengba ki rukom jong jing pen inam ye kitiar kitar than kiti kum ushlia kipla ki jingdeng bat kiwei pan menteri rangba ula pha the shibon kitiar kitar ban longpat kum ki jing ai sengob ha ye ki officer ki ba he haba ki wan shaka jilla bat kan pen i ye ka jing tibit kinong song snong ka jilla ki kam than kiti bat kular ban thau ya ka handicraft training center hatang mang Menteri Rangba ulaya merjing mut bat kinong song snong bat sngap yiki jing jongki bat hapdeng gini ke jing merjing mut kalami kawai ke khana school kawala karpat yo Menteri Rangba ban ying school thmain ke benta ke school jongka bat ki para khana school Menteri Rangba ula kular haka ba ke building ke bat thmain ke benta ke Tangmang Secondary School lingba ke Chief Minister's Special Development Fund
School.
Which school is this?
Secondary school.
Secondary school. Is the one you mentioned, no?
Yes.
Okay. That's it?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. What's your name? Your name? You didn't tell us your name. Tell us your name. People will like to know your name.
Chibame Ai Khongui.
What class are you in?
10.
Class 10. Very nice. Very good suggestion. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful to see our young children so confident and come up and speak in front of Chief Minister and put in their memorandum or their request. And we do this because we believe that the Chief Minister shouldn't just come and give a speech, but Chief Minister has to connect with the people. Chief Minister should listen to the people and should also be able to help the people. So therefore, I really would like to thank our little sister for her request, and definitely because she was so bold and she came forward, I assure you that I will give a school building grant from my side, from Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. That makes this particular trip and this visit even more special to me, and I am once again very grateful to all of you for having given me such a warm welcome. We have always believed that development has to be holistic development and overall development. So while we need large infrastructures, better roads, better connectivity, at the same time we have to do work that touches the lives of individuals and makes a difference in people's lives. That is why there are many programs that we have started where we are helping our farmers, helping our women's self-help groups, helping our youth and the public in general to improve their overall livelihood and to be able to raise their overall livelihood. The program to support the weavers that we are seeing here today is exactly part of that vision that we have, and I'm happy to see that we are able to support our women self-help groups and different SHGs as well as VOs and cooperative societies who are working in this. Since this is the first time that I have come here, and since this is the first time that any Chief Minister has come here, it is only proper that we leave you with some gift. So let me promise you and give my commitment that I will be putting up the handicraft training building center out here along with all the equipments that you require, and also facility for people to come and stay for the training that will be required. I am very happy to see how the community is involving itself and working together and working in a way that is going to help each and every section of society. As a government, we have always believed that government will do its part and government will bring different developments. But the government's work cannot succeed unless the community is involved in the work that we do.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.